Our second Inspiration Award honoree tonight is Kitty Tarok. She's a native of Hungary. Kitty is a former Hungarian national soccer player who migrated to the United States. Kitty faced financial and career challenges when the company employing her moved out of the country and back to Hungary. Kitty found JVS SoCal's Apartment Works program, a nationally recognized job training course for apartment maintenance technicians. Apartment Works equips clients with technical skills and career building knowledge to secure a position as a certified apartment maintenance technician. It also guarantees interviews with leading program partner employers upon graduation. For Kitty, like so many others before her, this free, intensive 8-week job training program was life-changing. All right, please welcome Miss Kitty Tarok. Come on, Kitty.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Kitty. Thank you for this recognition. I want to sincerely thank GVS SoCal and all the donors and supporters who make programs like Apartment Works possible. Thank you for this recognition and for your support. Coming to the United States from Hungary during COVID was both exciting and challenging. Like so many others, I came here to pursue my dreams, but I had to learn a new language and a new culture. And eventually I find myself searching for stability, direction, and career path that could help me build a future. When I discovered the Apartment Works program, it became a turning point in my life. The program helped me strengthen my skills and put me on a pathway to professional stability, balance, and success. I am incredibly grateful to Community Corporation of Santa Monica for believing me, giving me an opportunity, and supporting both my career and my passion. Because of this opportunity, I've been able to build a future by continuing to play the sport I have loved since I was 4 years old. Apartment Works truly changed my life. It gave me confidence, motivation, and proof that the new opportunities are always possible if you just keep pushing forward. To all the donors, partners, and supporters here tonight, thank you for investing in programs and create real change.